This is the Champion RK-7C-150 atmospheric vacuum breaker repair kit for the 1.5" atmospheric vacuum breakers. Now in the kit, it's going to come with 2 gaskets, one being your red fiber O-ring or gasket, and then the rubber gasket. It's also going to come with your float, which will have that rubber O-ring here at the top side of the float, right under that little stem. So starting with a couple dimensions, we're going to start with the float and get an outer diameter across the bottom. And that's going to be right at about 2 and maybe an 1/8. And then try my best to get total height. It's going to be right at about 2. It's hard to tell, but looks to be right at about 2 inches. And then our fiber gasket, get an outer diameter here of right at about 2 3/4, just shy of 2 3/4. And then inner diameter, going to be right at about 2 1/4 inches. And then last but not least, the rubber O-ring. Outer diameter going to be just over 2 1/2, so right at about 2 5/8. And then inner diameter going to be right at 2 1/4 inches. Now on this little paper slip, this will come with the kit. On the back side here, you'll have a little picture breakdown how the parts are assembled and where they go, as well as a list of items that the package includes, being the anti-siphon float, the float washer, this is the float washer, and then the union gasket. And once again, this is the Champion RK-7C-150 atmospheric vacuum breaker repair kit.